Mic auxiliary. Mic can go away. We can just put it here. What's going on, everybody? It is Monday, March 5th. Spring break is in of a rally last week. Look at this chart on the daily. Look at this freaking mountain it's climbing. It's climbing Mount Everest right now. Peaked in pre-market 33.18. This is not the highest that Chargepoint has been. Chargepoint has definitely seen higher days. 52-week high over here at 49.48. Would I love to see that again? I don't know that that's ever going to happen this week, but it's definitely has a strong upside happening right now. So we're going to watch it today. I am invested in Chargepoint Holdings, about 560 shares. So I would love to see it rocket up. I've also used their charger. I have a Tesla, and I have charged my car at a Chargepoint station. Not quite as fast as the Tesla superchargers, but that's kind of to be expected. So, but I do like the company. I do like their setup there. We definitely need the infrastructure for the EV market. And with Biden coming out saying he wants to build a absolute ridiculous amount of them, it's only going up from here, folks. Trying to update some of this stuff right here. So if you're looking to get in Chargepoint, I don't think it's too late. We'll start with that. I do not think it is too late for you to buy into this company. However, anything that starts up like we have now at 8, probably going to have a dip, and that is what we would like you to wait for. Buy the dip for sure. Don't try to buy in when it's up 10%. Done it several times. Don't recommend. Should probably not do that. I do plan on probably getting rid of some of my shares this morning and then buying back in because I want to buy that dip, baby. Buy that dip. On my thumbnail here, so we have something going on. I hope everyone's day is starting off solid. We have nice weather out here in Atlanta. It's looking beautiful. I cannot wait. Cannot freaking wait for summer. Other ones that I'm watching here is Upstart. I like watching Tesla. Tesla's actually making some moves. In pre-market, it's on its way back up. It's a solid buy option. I mean, obviously, Tesla's not going away anytime soon. And their stock, while it can be somewhat volatile in the market, it always tends to rebound. If you can buy in on those big old Tesla dips, you can make some good money on Tesla. And long term, Tesla's a solid play. So keep that in mind for sure. Let's get this going here. I won't be able to stream this all day. Well, I mean, I will stream it all day, but I won't be around. I've got actual stuff to do in the back. So unfortunately, I will not be able to sit here and talk all day long like I would love to do. Let's see here. We need to go ahead and edit this thumbnail. Let's change that up. But I do hope to hang out with you guys a little bit, make a couple bucks, get a couple good trades in today, all the while. Said I am not a full-time day trader. I am not a full-time investor. So there is that. I do have an actual job. Oh, let's see here. Bear with me a second. 7 minutes away from market open. If you are watching this, I am streaming the Webull platform. You can sign up for Webull, get 2 free stocks. I do some trades in Webull. I also use Robinhood. I also use TD Ameritrade, and I also use Cash App. Quite a few of them. All right, got that saved up. So let's take a peek over here at what else is happening. Let's just resort our list. A to Z. AMC is going up over the $10 mark again based on opening up some movie theaters, which is cool because, well, movies are cool. And honestly, I plan on seeing a movie tonight. Want to go see Godzilla vs. King Kong with the kids. So looking forward to that because while movie theaters have been open here in Georgia, there has been no movies to see. So that'll be cool. Go EV Canoe took a huge hit last week. We look at the daily. It was not great. It's down. I mean, look at that. It was at $24 and it's down to $9. So if the EV market turns around, Canoe could be on top of that. It's at Chargepoint. This is our daily. It's looking very promising. On our hourly, looks amazing. No walls in sight on the hourly chart. So if you get in on that, you're not gonna regret it for sure. If you're long term, just buy and hold. Just buy it and hold it at this point. I really wish this thing would do something fantastic. I have a call on that. It expires in like 2 weeks, and it's worth about nothing. GameStop took a pretty big hit this morning, down to 155, but has somehow bounced back $20. GameStop did do a at the money public offering, which means they are releasing more stock into the market, but they are releasing it at market value. They're not releasing it at like $80 or $50 a share. You're paying whatever this number is. That's what you're paying, which was smart on their part, because if they had done a public offering at less, it just would have tanked their stock completely. Would have been real bad for all the guys who've been supporting GameStop and holding GameStop this whole time. That would have been ugly. So what else do we have here? I like watching Upstart, man. Look at Upstart. Now, the thing about Upstart that I like the most, I'm going to be honest, the thing I like the most is that when I followed the Weeble comments on the rise up, everyone's like, put. Dude, the bears came out of every crack and crevice that was out there. Like, they were crawling out of every little dark hole. Oh, bears eat, and they bought puts. And I'll be honest, some of them probably made a couple bucks when they bought in at 170 and rode Upstart down to like $108. But if you bought a longer put, then like if you didn't cash out like on the daily, dude, your puts are worthless. And I just love watching the guys who are so anti-stock. They're so, look, here's the thing. When you're a bear, you can't do anything to lower the price, right? Nothing you can do is going to lower the price of the stock. If you're just a regular retail investor, like you want to buy puts, you want to play, hope it burns in the ground, whatever. There's nothing you can do about it. You're just hoping that everyone else gets scared and the stock goes down and tanks. But a lot of times that Upstart here, you're betting on a company that is new to the game and is positive revenue and is crushing it. It's absolutely crushing it. So I'm really happy to see Upstart still is $140 something range. I get some good money on Upstart. I lost a little bit of it, just holding too long. But we are 2 minutes away. I need my phone. Give me a second. Okay. So here we are, just about a minute away. Now I also like to watch Meet Kevin, and I like to watch some of these other guys. I actually stream them to myself when I can't watch it myself. I'm out back there working or something. So it's always nice to be able to listen to what's happening. He's probably live right now. We're gonna just click that.
A potential share offering getting voted on. But no, now AMC is up.
AMC's killing it.
Over 8% now.
GameStop doing great too.
We've got a minute to go here. Wow, this is incredible. Roblox up to up over 70. Really not moving much off its IPO pricing. And multiple other stocks up between 1 to 2%. So nice, modest open, but also very, very green. Nothing too euphoric, although we need some stocks that aren't wide. Let's go listen in.
Here we go. It's coming
As
up.
we,
Coming up on the bell.
As we get to our opening bell.
Freaking Jim Cramer.
19 seconds. Let's go.
They want to be able to build foundries here. Foundries take 2 years to build from scratch, and there are back orders for all the equipment. Land Research is probably doing more than almost anyone. And then you need to be able to make
Big
semis.
red candle.
The back orders are ridiculous. So yeah, David, this is a very key moment.
Here we
For the
are.
semiconductor industry and also for
She's
American
open.
industry. And it's not just cars.
Where you going, Chargepoint? Where you going? Which way we going, baby? We're going to spike up? Nope, not spiking up. Where are we going? This is what I want to see. Boom, look at this. 8%, 6%, 8%, 6%, 7%. So it needs to pick a direction. I don't like this big red candle, but I want to give up a little bit. I don't want to give up 2%, though. I think it'll... Usually we get like a somewhat of an uptick on a positive pre-market before we get a dip. But now we're getting a big dip. That's what's happening. That morning sell-off. I've made the mistake before for sure of selling too soon. Let her ride up a little bit and then get that dip. You know, when you're holding like 1,000 shares, a buck makes a difference, you know, especially if you're day trading it. You're going to ride it in there. Let's see who he's watching.
To just being up 8%. Tesla's also.
There we go.
Tesla's
Get
red
back to
candle
me.
Sticking out of the gate.
GameStop.
And Chargepoint's
Damn.
red candle sticking as well. A lot of red candlesticks coming out of the gate. We'll see how the first few minutes settle here. But this is like the firing line over here where greens are entering. We've got Carnival.
There we go. Let's ride it up.
We've got a firing line here.
I'm looking for that 15% today. There we go.
1%.
That's what we're looking for. I'm looking for 15%. I'm looking for Chargepoint to $35. If I want. But in the morning trade, what I like to do, I'm holding this, hope for an uptick, sell it, and then buy the dip and then day trade it. That's always kind of my. I'm going to see what it ended up doing. Let's get my price change high to low. Tesla's up 7, AMC's up there. Cleveland, this one was doing well last week. I made a right, and longer term plays probably a pretty good hold. Honestly, CLF. There we go. We're getting those greens, baby. Give me those greens. That's what I like to see. Boom. Look at her ride up. Look at that go. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. Up 8%. Come on, baby. Let's get up there. Let's hit that 15%. That is what I would like to see before I buy the dip. And what I want to do here, keep in mind. Oh, what do you got? SPCB. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. What do you got here? SPCB, no sellers. Okay. Ooh, Chargepoint. Where are you going, baby? Where are you going? What else you in there, Troll Master? This one is sellers, so it's down 2%. Giving up a couple percent. I don't like to see the triple reds. Usually a bad indicator. Right there for the morning. Who else we got? I mean, all in all, it's a pretty good day. When half my watch list is green, I'll take it. What's the entire market doing? Oh, that's very good. Everything is looking very good. Good start. Spring break, spring's here, new month. Where you going, Chargepoint? You're going the wrong way. There you go, buddy. You get your little bit green hitter right here. Low volume on this mover here, huh? 89,000, not a whole lot. What do we got going here? 31. Oh, it's giving up the goose. AMC's giving up. This is the pullback that we tend to see in the morning. Tesla looking strong though, man. Saying Tesla is a strong hold. Chargepoint, I think this one will probably touch 33 or 34 today. I think it'll get there. It just might take a minute. What I'd like to do is swing it. In the meantime, pocket 1,500 or so dollars, let it drop, and then pocket another 5 or 6 on the way back up. I don't think I'm ever going to get back in under 30 again, but I would like to see it. It would be cool. GameStop's fighting, man. Going to be a war over there today. It is going to be a war. I don't see that one getting prettier. I'll tell you one that I don't understand is Riot. Riot blockchain. Bitcoin's up, Riot's down. Bitcoin's down, Riot's down. Bitcoin's, going sideways. I don't understand that at all. Why it tends to move like that. I don't get it. But yeah, we definitely have here happening. But also GameStop is a good buy-in. When it gets down to this low, I think that people will bring GameStop back up. It always rises from the ashes. The public offering at where it's at the money pricing is a good thing. I mean, it forces people to get out there. It's kind of like diluting the shares, but it's not diluting them at a lower cost, which is awesome. I'm going to turn my alert off of here. This is 155. But that's a good dip on Chargepoint. Since it did touch that 10% up in the pre-market, I think it will probably reach that 10% again. Tesla's still leading the way on my chart here. GameStop's getting some green. I mean, GameStop, if it gets back up to its open, I mean, you can get back up 12% gains today on GameStop, which is stout, It's going to make a slow climb. Falling fast. I'm just going to turn off my sharp fall here as well. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm trying to put on some kind of background distraction here. Getting some green candles on Chargepoint. And this might be one I just have to ride up today. We'll see. I'm up about $1,000. And I don't know that I'm going to see it dip below 31. So it's hard to want to sell it. So I'll probably have to buy in higher, which is not ideal. There we go. GameStop's falling. falling. Chargepoint's going to make a run. It's going to bust out. It's made it up to number 2. AMC breaking out. Let's look at it. Boom. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, Chargepoint. You're hurting my feelings. Hurting my feelings. If I can do that and then this up a little bit. So I don't have desktop. Yep, so Chargepoint just floating. Got to make a quick phone call over here. Whoa, look at this. We're having some movement today. Cleveland Cliffs, GameStop took a big jump. GameStop jumped almost $10. Actually over $10 with the quickness. And then, Chargepoint's green can. Oh, baby. Chargepoint's breaking out. That's what I'm waiting on. Look at this. Cleveland Cliffs. I was in this last week. It took it sideways, and now look at it. Boom. Busting up almost 21. Chargepoint's 32. AMC is hitting a little bit of a lull right here. Some good ones to follow, though. GameStop coming back with a vengeance. Who else is I like to follow the losers, because anything that loses that much usually ends up making some sort of rebound, which is not bad at all. You know, Cleveland Cliffs, I had a bunch of shares in that. And I just I got impatient and I actually pulled out and went into Upstart. So if you're joining me, thank you for joining the podcast here. I'm going to do a lot of different content, but in the mornings, I like to follow some of these trades, or I follow some of these stocks, because it's something that I enjoy doing and I like making a little bit of money. So I'm not a full-time trader at all. I'm a part-time trader, but I do like to gamble. So I do kind of make some YOLOs. So don't do all. But I got about 19,000 in the stock market. I'm not a huge investor. I like to play around and make some gains. I like it. It's crazy that it 8% on the day somehow. Market open was 171. It should be in the green. Strange that it's showing us like that. I don't understand. That should be definitely green for sure. I mean, it's down from the previous close. I guess maybe that's where we're at in red, but it should be looking good. Upstart rising. I mean, Upstart has just been a solid killer. I mean, if you're a bear, Upstart is your freaking nightmare. Like your worst nightmare of a stock, because it looks like it's going down. It should go down. Upstart had a run up of over 100% in like 2 or 3. They don't normally hold that kind of gain, but look at it go. 153. It's up $10 just today. That's solid profit. $10 in a few minutes per share. I love it. I love it. Bears are screaming, bleeding out. So I'm not in Upstart at the moment, and this is honestly going to keep going up, but it's notorious from what I've been watching for having giant red candles. So keep that in mind. I'm going to switch it to the 2-minute view here and just see what we're looking at on the 2-minute. Because these are, don't buy here. If it goes up like that, don't FOMO it and buy that. You're gonna take a hit. Buy it when it's down here. Get your extra $5-6 out of it. When it comes to them like Chargepoint, I mean, Chargepoint's holding well at the moment. I like it. Like what I see. I think what we need is it to cross over this line here, this barrier, you know, since we started off with such a dip. So if you're following me and you're new to this, you want it to jump up past our opening. 3270. That's where we need to be. We need to get up there. AMC's looking good. I mean, everything's still holding pretty good after open, which is definitely what you want to see. Upstart. So proud of you guys. Proud of you guys for holding that or buying it or doing whatever you're doing. There's some call options out there that just made big money. I wonder what the call options are for Upstart, honestly. Let's see. How much are those? Oh, they're not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, that's not bad. You can get a weekly one pretty cheap. I might actually do that. Let's see. Let me pull up I'm going to go over to Robinhood because I know my freaking, yeah. my call on that thing about freaking worthless. But tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add let's say $200 into Robinhood. Okay, and then we're gonna go over and we're gonna pull up Chargepoint. Let's look at a $35 call option. Something to break even here that is $200 for the week. Let's get us something close to in the money. Let's see if this bad boy pays out today. I'd buy the GameStops, man. They're just too pricey for me. They're up there. Let me see what the GameStop call options are. They're always been high. Oh yeah, big money on those. But I think the option on Chargepoint's solid play. So we're gonna send it. Boom. Let's see what this thing turns out today. I've got day trades left on here, so I'm not mad at it. And I'll set my limit. I don't miss out on some here on a call option. Alrighty. But I am going to have to get some work done. But I do like Chargepoint's honored at the moment. I'm just waiting. I really wanted to cross that 10% threshold. And it's getting there. It's like right here. It's so close. It's so close. Just give it to me. Ah. I seem to have some background noise. Figure out how to get